circulation of blood in the heart. So how the blood circulates in the heart. Before that, I'll show you the parts of the heart. There are 4 chambers. They are right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle and left ventricle. So right side of the heart which carries the deoxygenated blood, so it shows in blue color. In the left side which carries the oxygenated blood, and it shows in red color. So there are 4 walls: tricuspid wall, bicuspid wall, pulmonary semilunar wall, aortic semilunar wall. Let's see the circulation of blood in the heart. So first, from the vena cava receives the blood from different parts of the body, which receives the blood, and the auricles receives the blood from the vena cava. In the left side, the pulmonary veins brings the blood from the lungs to the left auricle. Now, when the blood enters into the auricles, the tricuspid wall and bicuspid wall gets open. Tricuspid wall and bicuspid wall gets open, and auricle contracting and ventricles relaxing. Auricles contracting and ventricles relaxing. So the blood moves to the ventricles. So once the blood is moved to the ventricles, ventricles contracting and auricles relaxing. So when the auricles relaxing, here the pulmonary semilunar wall and aortic semilunar wall gets open, and tricuspid wall and bicuspid wall get closes. So when it closes, here the pulmonary semilunar wall and aortic semilunar wall gets open, so blood which moves from the right ventricle towards the pulmonary artery to the lungs for the oxygenation, and from the left side the oxygenated blood which moves from the left ventricles with the presence of aorta to all the body parts. So here you can see there is a tendency, chordae tendency. Here you can see chordae tendency. So this will helps to keep the walls in a position and prevent their overturning into the arteria. That is, the blood, once the pulmonary semilunar wall and aortic semilunar wall gets open, so here the tricuspid wall and bicuspid wall gets closes. So when it closes, it prevents the backflow of the blood. That means from the ventricles again the blood will not goes to the auricles, because it prevented with the presence of a chordae tendency. So these walls are in a position, so it prevents the backflow.